Are you thinking about having your wedding here at Iron City and are ready to learn more information? I'm going to tell you what to expect once you do reach out to us and where we go from there. Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm the event manager here at Iron City. I'll be sharing information with you like how to book a venue, how to make good decisions, how to compare pricing, and of course all the need to knows about Iron City. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. You'll get a notification every time we upload a new video to help you. Are you ready to learn more about Iron City, our prices, and our services? The first thing you need to do is reach out to us. Shoot me an email or give me a call. When you do reach out, you'll either be in touch with myself or my assistant coordinator, Ariel. The first thing we're going to offer to do is to send you our pricing PDFs. These documents have everything that you need to know about Iron City. You're going to get information about our rental rate, everything that's included, and all of those little extras and additions that you need to make sure to budget for. I can't get everything that I want to tell you onto one piece of paper, so take some time to look it over, but call us back with any questions, and at that point we can really get into some more details. The next thing to consider is your budget. Everyone knows that weddings are expensive, but there's a 99.9% chance that you're going to get some sticker shock. A lot of brides will get initial pricing and immediately take off the more expensive venues without really considering what's included. You really want to compare apples to apples. Make sure that the services that one venue provides are equal to the services another provides, to make sure that you're looking at things on an equal plate. A lot of brides end up booking venues that are less expensive right off the bat, but in the end spend just as much or more once you add everything back in. The third thing to do is to set up that tour. Arrange it ahead of time so that we are available to meet with you. Plan to spend about an hour here. You'll either meet with myself or our assistant coordinator, Ariel. There's 3 big parts to a tour. The first thing that we do is walk you through the space, point out where things typically go, kind of give you an idea of the layout. Then we'll do a digital tour and show you a lot of pictures of different weddings so you can see different options for setup, decor. This is where you can really start to visualize what you can do to make the wedding perfect for you. And then the third part of the tour, we'll go over all of the pricing PDFs, and this is really when I get into the nitty-gritty and answer all of your questions. I want you to leave feeling confident that you understand what this wedding is going to cost you, that you understand the services that we're going to provide to you, you understand how the planning works, and the role that we're going to play in your big day. Are you ready to take the plunge and call us? Our information is below. You can also find my information on our website, which is ironcitybham.com. Thanks again for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.